allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Warren County, northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Hunterdon County, northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County, southwestern Morris County, north central Middlesex County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Basking Ridge to near Washington, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Bridgewater, Middlesex, Bound Brook, Manville, Hackettstown, Washington, Mendham, High Bridge, Clinton, Peapack and Gladstone, Oxford, Glen Gardner, Chester, Hampton, Lebanon, Callipin and Far Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, and Warren. For the following counties in New Jersey: